So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Ayush and we welcome you to our video. So in today's video we are going to unbox i11 TWS Airpods or Earbuds. So as if you can see in video, we have i11 earbuds and we are now going to unbox this in our video. So this is the special video which we are going to give you in English. So as of all my viewers were requesting that they want this video to be in English. So I'm representing this video for you all guys to be in English. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please like the channel. Also subscribe my channel as if you want to see more related videos. So I hope you will like the video. So come on, let's start the video. So we have the box as you can see, which we showed i11 5.0 true wireless headset named as TWS company. So this is i11. So let's unbox this box and let's see what came next to be. So after unboxing the box, we get this cool AirPods, this awesome quality AirPods, as if you can see, like it pretend to be original Apple AirPods. So let's keep it aside and see what we get inside our box. So inside the box we get something, this stuff like data cable. So this is our USB to lightning port, so that we can help using this cool AirPods with this data cable. After this we get one user manual, as you all can see in this video. In this we get instructions and operations how to operate this product. So let's keep it aside and let's come to our product. So this is the cool awesome quality AirPods that we get, and this is something awesome quality to be, which pretends to be 100% like original AirPods, as if you can say Apple AirPods. So this is the two AirPods you can see. Let's open these two AirPods. So in this we get magnetic case as well, which is the best thing I got to be. As if you can see, there are two sensors in which magnetic charging supports these earbuds. At the bottom we get lighting port so that the AirPods case can be charged, and at the back side of the case we get one button so that we can push the button to charge the AirPods. So this is the look of this magnetic case. So let's now come to our main product, that is AirPods. You can see this, the quality of these AirPods, which looks to be pure 100% original like Apple AirPods. And in this we get sensors on both of these earbuds. At the bottom we can see this magnetic to charging case so that we can charge these earbuds. So this earbuds is now on, and let's on the another earbud. So as if you can see, both the earbuds are on, and you can now pair these earbuds to the phone and listen the songs. So this cool AirPods are very awesome, and the sound quality, bass quality of this AirPod is very also cool. So let's talk about price range of these AirPods. The price range of these AirPods is likely to be around 600 to 700 rupees in Indian currency, and these are very much cool products in this range. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like the channel. Also subscribe my channel to see more related videos regarding technology. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.